Hello students, here we have lesson 1.4.3 and we're going to preview it before you start working on it. I want you to watch this so you know what to do. Welcome to Year 1, Week 4, Lesson 1.4.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 10 to 12 from our English course, American English Conversations 1. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So, the first thing we do is we read the dialogues below in English, then we translate them and read them in your primary language. Okay? So here's dialogue 10, here's dialogue 11, and here's dialogue 12. Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, it isn't. Would you mind moving over one so my friend and I can sit together? No, not at all. Thanks a lot. Okay, so you read that a couple of times. If you're having trouble understanding it, you can use the translator to translate. Here's dialogue 11, mistakes. Where did John go? He went to the drugstore. To the bookstore? No, I said he went to the drugstore. Oh, I misunderstood you. I thought you said bookstore. How could you make a mistake like that? Weren't you paying attention? Okay. So again, if you don't understand, translate it. If you do, go on to dialogue 12. Games. And let's read that. Say, Joe, do you play bridge? No, I don't play any card games, but I know how to play chess. How about you, George? Well, I happen to be one of the best chess players around. Okay, let's play then. We'll see who's the best. All right, so again, you read this in English, and then if you don't understand it clearly, you translate it using the translator. Then, I want you to watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. This is not only going to help you with your comprehension, but it's going to help you with your pronunciation, and it will also give you a lot of confidence to initiate conversations and to be part of dialogues. Okay? So please watch this video 2 or 3 times and practice together with it. I read at a slower pace and then I read at a faster pace, so this will help you with your intonation. This will help you with your reading out loud and speaking. Okay, great. So this was lesson 1.4.3. I hope you enjoy it. Please do your best. And don't forget to write in the comment section below what you did, what you learned. And usually it's a good idea to share your name, share where you are from, the country that you are from, and then what you have learned from this lesson. All right, thank you very much. Lesson 1.4.3 preview. Now get to work.